What's up, guys, and welcome back to Moving Minds with Money. And we've got a pretty interesting video for you guys today on how to make $220 online. This is going to be a simple method. I'm going to take it through step by step. Before we start with the video, remember we are launching our very own money making course very soon. So if you want to be part of that, there are only a few spots available. Please comment down below that you are in, and we will save your name and we will add you to the Discord channel from which we will add you to the course once it's done, right? So please make sure to reserve your spots. It's a very, very in-depth course. Even the dogs are going crazy for it. But other than that, guys, let's check this out, right? So making $220 online. How? Right? Let's check it out. Now, first of all, you want to go over to Google Trends, right? Google Trends is a very nifty free keyword tool, right? So let's say we choose a topic. Let's say we look for Call of Duty, right? And we're going to see what is currently trending. Now, remember that this is according to different time periods. So what I usually do is I look at the past 7 days, or I look at the past 30 days. You want the most recent content. There's no use in looking 2 months back, and I mean that's old news already, right? So as soon as my PC loads, we will be able to see this. I did this from the beginning just to show you guys that you can actually do this with any term. We are seeing some progress now, so let's see what's up with this. Right. Okay, so first of all, you're going to want to change this from the past 12 months obviously to a more recent time period, right? So there you see your graph of interest. Let's do the past 7 days, right? And remember our search term Call of Duty. So this is going to give us what is trending about Call of Duty. And I've almost forgot to mention, you can also tweak the area of relevance right here. So instead of South Africa, where I'm currently based, we're going to maybe do something worldwide, right? That's going to be our safest bet here. Yeah, excuse me for my slow internet, guys. I do not know what's going on today. It's been like this the whole day long, and it is irritating me. Right. Oh, that's a pretty nifty little pattern that we got there, actually. But anyway, look at this. Call of Duty 2024 leaks. We got Call of Duty 2024. We got Call of Duty leaks. So we can see that all of these things are trending. This is currently trending. So what we do then is, let's say we pick Call of Duty 2024 leaks, right? Let's say we head on over to our YouTube channel, right? We head on over to YouTube and we do this. We search for Call of Duty 2024 leaks, right? We do this. And remember that we're going according to what is trending at the moment. All right, look at this. This is the first Black Ops 5 images leak online, right? So this is a video, 60k views, posted 4 days ago. We see a Black Ops 5 already leaked by Activision, right? And so what you want to do here is basically the whole idea that we're going to be looking at here is simply, you're going to be copying this video's URL, right? And we're going to head over to a very special website. Now, remember, guys, anytime you have or you're trying to make money online, you need to stay safe. You need a VPN. Currently, we have a special offer on NordVPN. We've been using it for quite a while now. It's given us no problems whatsoever. It has increased our online safety dramatically. And we're currently offering you guys a 63% discount on NordVPN. Go and check it out. It is a link down below in the description of the video. So the best thing that we're going to have to do here is we're going to have to click on this video in order to get the link there, right? So once we copy this link, we can close this window, right? Because we don't need it anymore. Then you're going to head over to a website called ShrinkMeio.io. Now, ShrinkMeio.io is a paid URL shortener. You might be asking, Estian, I didn't even know this existed. Me too. I did not know this existed, but you can go. Let's read a bit about ShrinkMeio. ShrinkMeio is a completely free tool where you can create short links, which apart from being free, you get paid. So you can now make money from home when managing and protecting your links. How and much? Let's look at this. How can you start making the money with ShrinkMe? It depends on 3 steps: create an account, create a link, and post it. And for every visit, you earn money. And if we scroll up here, we can see that you can earn up to $220 per 10,000 views, rather, almost at 10,000 videos. But yeah, guys, it is as simple as that. And obviously, you're gonna have to register first. And let me just go to this page to show you guys what this looks like, right? So basic username, email, password, and re-entering your password. You can also sign in with Google. But once you do this, and once you have your short link, right, what you do is you head on over to another website. You head on over to bit.ly.com, right? We also are currently running a special offer on Bitly, which you can check out in the description box below. But Bitly is a very powerful tool because it allows you to track your links, right? It allows you to track your links, and you can then see the amount of clicks that you get on your links, right? So it's a very useful tool here. And I'm going to be showing you guys my profile in a bit. As I said, my internet is extremely slow today, right? So here's my free account. And you guys are more than welcome to create a free account. But as you can see, here are some of the links that I have used personally. And what Bitly does is it basically takes a long URL and it shortens it that it looks nice and neat, right? And once this gets done loading, you'll see, look at it, it counts the amount of clicks on those links, right? So you take your short URL, you simply paste it into here, you say copy link, and then in order to promote it, you can head on over to Facebook, you can head on over to Quora, you can go to Reddit, where you can post the shortened URL and say something like, check out this cool Call of Duty video, right? Something along those lines. Check out this recent link of Call of Duty. You must see this if you're an avid gamer, right? Very, very simple, guys. So the only admin here is to create an account, but that's that'll literally take you 2 minutes. But yeah, guys, so a simple way for you guys to make $220 online. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Please subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, guys, check out more of our videos. We're trying to reach as much people as possible, and we need your help for that. But other than that, guys, remember NordVPN. Online safety is crucial for us. 63% discount is in the description box down below. We'll see you in the next one.